I couldn't get it.
Were you filming?
Yeah. I got the one back side.
Okay, I'm gonna pass them to you, okay, Eric?
You need to pass the poppets first.
Okay.
Only, wait, take them out the plastic too.
Okay. We're ordering. Okay, somebody's ordering.
What is this?
Pea popper.
A what?
Pea popper.
What do you do?
You
gonna
push it.
Oh, you just take the balls out and put
No,
them
you
in?
push
No,
it.
no, no.
Oh.
And
Oh, look
I
at
want
you got those.
What?
These, yeah.
Yeah, I know. I got so many.
Yeah.
Okay, Julie, I'm gonna pretend I'm ordering. Okay, I want a white popper with rainbow.
Wait, where's someone?
No. I want green heart poppet.
This is
Thank you. I want
Yeah,
Among Us.
Yeah. Take the picture.
A square poppet.
What is that? A poppet bracelet?
Wait, let me
Yeah.
open all these so you can throw them away.
Is this a poppet bracelet?
Okay.
Just put them in here. And I'll get them.
So she's ordering them. Eric's
Put 'em in
ordering
here and I'll come
them.
back to the trash. Okay?
Nancy, come here. Stop. These keep on coming
Aren't
out.
they gonna like take you to Starbucks or something?
Yeah. But she's gonna bring it, and then she's gonna bring me Starbucks. What do you like from Starbucks?
I don't know.
Do you just get anything?
There's only one of those? Oh.
Me too.
I just get I think a pink drink with cold flour. Sweet cold flour.
Oh! I was trying to put it together. Oh shit, that's her. There. Got it. You can make a simple tip out of that.
Really?
Yeah, a girl. I saw it. You're tired?
When I woke up, I woke up at like 12.
Lila was in your room, huh?
She went to go sleep in there, but I was asleep. I went to sleep at 2, and she woke up at 3.
I know, cause of Lila.
Mhm.
Apparently she peed.
Oh yeah. I don't even know. Oh, you know what Laya did? What's it called?
Since it's Friday. Remember last time
It's
when
Friday?
Yeah.
Oh,
You didn't know that?
no.
Remember last time when me, you, and Jade we stayed? Because it was on the weekend, but Lila wasn't. She woke up. And then remember when we moved the bed? It was so funny.
Oh yeah.
We were laughing. That was funny.
Right now, I'm gonna make an account. And it's gonna be a fidget account.
Should I follow? Can I follow you? A little bunny, chunky
Oh
bunny.
yeah, it's so cute. There was one that had like a little.
This one? Oh, you're so cute. That looks so cute.
There was a gray one, and it has like
This one?
Yeah. Do you see it on the side? On the side.
Yes.
I don't even know what that is.
Oh, look.
I was trying to pull it off.
Oh, it's off. Oh, shoot.
Oh, I thought it fell.
I thought it fell.
Why are they so soft?
I know. We have to try not to.
This one's soft. Feel it?
That's what I was going to say. Look.
That's a seed. It's
Oh.
weird. I wanna go outside. How about let's do a video and we have to find fidgets and I'll put them outside.
Yeah. That's good. Oh, but you should do on your new account that you're making.
Yeah. That's nothing. Oh yeah, the top.
Hey. What's so much?
Yeah, wait. Let me go to my room because I don't know the name.
Okay. Can I go with you?
Yeah. First is coming.
Okay. And we can play Roblox because I have Mama's iPad.
We have to say bye.
Remember? It's still filming?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Remember we didn't say bye?
Oh, yeah.
Okay guys, so we put all the stuff in here and we're gonna go make a video.
Yeah, on TikTok, and then we'll tell you guys her account, her new account,
Yeah.
and yeah.
And well, that's it. And thank you whoever sent this. So wait.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay. So thank you so much for whoever sent this. I am so grateful. And like, look at this. As you can see. Okay, it's a lot. And I'm gonna make a new account and I'll tell you guys what it is in the next video.
Yeah.
So,
Or we do another video, or we could put it up on the
well,
thing.
tomorrow we'll do a video of showing on my fidgets.
Yeah.
Cause
Like all of them, right?
A bunch of people have asked, but
We haven't done it.
so well, yeah, that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time we post. Bye! Okay, stop it.